Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export Obsidian nodes to HTML. So we have here two methods which I will be showing you. So stick around till the end. So first method is pretty much a little workaround. So what we are going to do is open the node you want to export, then head over here to the right side where you see these three dots, vertical, more option, and then export to PDF. Okay, I will leave these settings for now, but you can here adjust a little bit. Export to PDF, okay, just like that, and click save. Okay, now let's open up this file here. Okay, now what we are going to do is right click on it and open with. And you will see here you can open up with Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. So let's go with Google Chrome, like so. And now what we can do is basically just click Ctrl S. On Mac, use CMD-S, just like that. Let me try it again. Or you can right click on it and then click on Save As. This will open up basically this thing here, and you can basically change the from PDF to HTML, and you will have it in the HTML. Now the second option is basically as in previous video, which I show you how you can convert to Word document. Is the same thing here. So let's head over here to the settings at the bottom left corner, and then community plugins, and let's go to browse, and we will search for HTML, just a moment. Web page HTML by Cosmic. Yeah, this one. And let's install it and then enable. Okay. And now what we need to do here is open up command palette, so Ctrl P or CMD P, and type in web page HTML export with export hotkey. Okay, now it's not available here, but using previous settings. Okay, let's do that one. Export mode. Yeah, and then click save on website. So what we need to do here is just set online website, local website, what you want, and then here we will need just to basically browse where we want to save that, and then when we do that, just click on export, and you will see it right over here then in this version here. Okay, so this is pretty much it, how you can export to HTML nodes. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.